Activity. Sher Shah had constructed highways during his reign. Which types of roads are constructed now? Collect information. Students, in present times, the following types of roads are constructed. Number 1 is national highways, number 2 state highways, number 3 district roads, number 4 village roads, number 5 roads in the border areas. At present, the work of converting national highways at measuring 14,846 km into 4 to 6 track roads is in progress. These national highways are named as Golden Quadrilateral, North South and East West Corridor, and roads connecting the major ports with Golden Quadrilateral or corridors. Chittor's tales of bravery. There were frequent struggles between Mughals and the Sisodia Rajputs. The courageous Sisodia Rajputs were not ready to accept Mughal supremacy and so fought against Akbar boldly and bravely. Among all the warriors, Maharana Pratap's bravery is especially noteworthy. Among the rulers of the Sisodia dynasty, Maharana Pratap was the one who fought against Akbar continuously till the end. Since Akbar wanted to set up his rule in Mewar, there were many battles fought between Mewar and Delhi, among which the Battle of Haldighati is considered to be a landmark battle. Akbar had a huge, well equipped army with modern weapons, cannons, gunpowder in sufficient numbers, and artilleries, whereas Maharana Pratap had the advantage of his chivalrous Rajput warriors who lived in the forest and were therefore used to fighting wars in hilly areas. There were just 20 to 22,000 soldiers who fought bravely against lakhs of Mughal soldiers. In the Battle of Haldighati, Maharana Pratap and his horse Chetak attained martyrdom, and that can never be forgotten. Chetak was specially trained for battles. In the battlefield, Chetak would move according to Maharana Pratap's commands. When the Battle of Haldighati was at its peak, Chetak acted according to Rana Pratap's instructions and jumped high to reach up to the Mughal Senapati who was seated on his elephant. A noteworthy incident is one where Rana Pratap threw a spear at the Senapati but he was saved because of the Hoda. There were many such incidents in the Battle of Haldighati which were noteworthy. It is believed that when Maharana Pratap was injured, one of his leaders wore his canopy to distract the Mughal rulers. Chetak took the injured Rana Pratap away from the battlefield. There are many such incidents about Rana Pratap and Akbar mentioned in history. Maharana Pratap lost the battle against Akbar but did not give up. He wandered in the forest, faced many difficulties but remained determined. Rana Pratap formed the army again with the help of Bhama Shah, a Jain trader who helped him financially and fought against the Mughals again. He won all the forts except Chittor. He vowed, "Till I get back Chittor, I will not sleep peacefully." Students, Mewar was ruled by Sisodia Rajputs, whereas Delhi by the Mughals. Akbar wanted to capture Mewar, but Rajputs were not ready to accept the Mughal supremacy. Among the Sisodia Rajputs, Maharana Pratap fought till the end with Akbar. The Battle of Haldighati is considered to be the most important battle between Akbar and Maharana Pratap. Akbar had a well equipped huge army of lakhs of soldiers. They were loaded with modern weapons, cannons, and war tactics. On the other hand, Maharana Pratap had a very small army of 20 to 22,000 soldiers. The soldiers were very brave. Maharana Pratap's army had an advantage of fighting from the hilly region. Also, the army was habituated to fight in hilly areas. The Battle of Haldighati was fought between Akbar and Maharana Pratap. Akbar had an army of lakhs of soldiers who were loaded with modern weapons, cannons, etc. On the other hand, Maharana Pratap had quite a small but very brave army. The battle was fought in hilly region and Maharana Pratap's soldiers were quite efficient for fighting in hilly regions. Maharana Pratap's horse, who was highly trained, was called Chetak. Chetak was so trained that he moved anywhere as per Pratap's will. When the battle was at its peak, Maharana Pratap ordered Chetak to jump as high as the back of elephant on which the Senapati of Akbar's army was seated. When Chetak jumped, Maharana Pratap hit the Senapati with a spear, but he was saved due to the howdah. The Battle of Haldighati witnessed many such brave incidents of Maharana Pratap. It is believed that when he was injured, one of his soldiers wore the crown of Maharana Pratap to fool the Mughals, and meanwhile Chetak took Pratap away from the battlefield. Maharana Pratap lost the Battle of Haldighati against Akbar. Pratap was very steadfast. He wandered in the forest, faced many difficulties, but did not give up against the Mughals. With the help of a Jain trader Bhama Shah, who helped him financially, Rana Pratap again formed the army. He again fought with the Mughals. He won back all the forts except that of Chittor. He vowed, "Till I get back Chittor, I will not sleep peacefully." He kept his vow till the end. Due to such brave and untiring behavior of Maharana Pratap, he is known for his steadfast quality. Students, here we end our chapter 4, Mughal Empire, Establishment and Extension. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.